Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you guys what the inner cap comes like. It does come with an adjustable strap. It has a good amount of parting space. I did go ahead and spray the inner cap with the Eben tinting lace spray. You guys can see the curls very pretty. So this is the day after. I'm just going ahead and measuring the perimeter. You guys know I go ahead and mark my perimeter. Someone asked me what I do. I just use like a brown, dark brown pencil, whatever I have, and I just kind of mark the surface. I'm going in now with my bold hold. You guys know this is my liquid crack right here. Does a really good job. It lasts about 3 to 4 days. I've already told you guys this in past videos, and it does a job. You guys can see right here, it already melts into the skin, which is dope AF, and it's just like a really easy install. I did about like 2 layers of the bold hold, and it lasts me, like I said, 3 to 4 days. So everything looks pretty good, guys, and continue to keep on watching. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. So I did show you guys how I wash, condition, and set my curly units overnight. So this is what it will look like the next day. So I would consider this like a shake and go. Obviously I did do like a little extra trying to, make it cute. I did not do baby hair because I felt like the tweezing that I did was enough to kind of give you like fake baby hair action within the lace, so I just left that the way it was. I do notice that the hair, guys, is super pretty curl pattern wise at the bottom, but at the top of the hair, well, this side looks really good, but on the top right here, you do notice that there's like a little bit of frizzing going on. So I did have to go in with some foaming mousse, some foaming lotion. I usually use the Cream of Nature one, but I actually ran out of this one. So I used the one I used to wrap my real hair. So this one, it works pretty good. I just wanted it to kind of, calm down some of the frizzing. I should have went in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner because that product's really good. I don't know if it's because I was playing it when I cut the lace and stuff like that, so it just gave like a little bit of frizzing. But all in all, guys, I think that the unit is super nice. It's about 24 inches long, 180% density, which is true density. As far as the length, I do feel like the length is not true. I do feel like it's like a mixed length, so it's like 24 inches, 22, 20, and then at the very top right here, it's like an 18 or 16 inch, so it's like a mixed length kind of wig. I don't know if that's how it's listed on the website, but that's the way I look at it as. You guys can let me know what you guys think down below. But all in all, for a wig that you could wear in the summertime, springtime, whatever it is, if we have a summertime because of Rona, I think that this unit is very nice, guys. Lightweight, very little effort, and it holds a really nice curl. So guys, I will leave all the information down below per usual, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!